Okay, so today we're going to be talking about spider plants. Just some basics, some benefits of spider plants is um, it's one of the easiest plants to maintain. It's so easy. In fact, I've got tons of them literally right below the camera. Probably around like 60 of them. So yeah, they're very easy to maintain, and I actually got tons of rocks in them. That's my bad, but yeah, produces very good oxygen. Like, it will filter your air, kind of, maybe. I don't know. Just what the internet said. But I believe it. So how to take care of them? Provide them with like kind of well-drained soil. You don't want to overwater them, or else they can rot very easily. It's happened to me many times where the root's starting to smell really bad and it sucks. So actually, between waterings, if you water them a lot, you have to like wait until they're dried out a little bit before you water them again, if that makes sense. Don't let the roots get soggy. That's the key thing. And you can let them dry out a little bit. Like, let the dirt get a little dry before you water them again. Yeah. It's a house plant. Don't try planting it outside. It doesn't work. I've tried that. I live in a very cold climate, kind of, so I guess that's probably why. It likes around 50 to 80, 55 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, it flowers. The flowers are white, and it flowers around spring, summer, and fall. And if your plant's healthy, they will produce smaller duplicate plants off the stem, and you can propagate those, which I will explain how to do in a different video, not this one though. Yeah, so soil pH, if you're really interested in that and really curious, it likes neutral best, just plain soil. Oh, it likes foamy soil. It doesn't like hard soil, so it really like fluffy stuff. Peat moss is good for that, unless if it's acidic peat moss, then it might not be good, but it's also called airplane plants, is what it's referred to. Ribbon plant and spider ivy, all three of those work, and spider plant. Yeah. Oh yeah, sometimes, if you're wondering, spider plants can get these tip burn things where the tips start to like peel off. I wish I could show you, but it's kind of hard to pull one of these out. I mean, yeah, I could show you. Oh, never mind, I can't pick it up. Down there. Oh, man. Okay, just forget I did that. Basically what I'm trying to say is the tips of the plant will start to like brown and start falling off. Just break them off. Break off the brownness, it's not a problem. Like I just did there to the tiny one. Anyway, yeah. Usually caused by dry soil is what tip burn is caused by, but it doesn't mean your plant's unhealthy. It just happens very easily to these plants, so don't worry about it too much. Also low humidity. That's probably what's wrong with these ones, because they have plenty of water, I think. Yeah. Humidity. That's a big thing, especially here where it's really dry. Fertilize. If you really want to have them be very healthy, fertilize them twice a month. I don't do that. I just let them grow, because it's easier. Yeah. Yeah, make sure it's very drainable, a very drainable pot. That's important to not get the rot. And, yeah, light, how bright the light should be. It could be in shade or in, like, kind of sun, but you don't want it direct sunlight. You want it kind of an off sunlight if you want it to be really good. So, spider plants can form these thick tubes in their roots. I have one right here, so I'll just show you. Kind of looks like that. They're very thick, full of like, I don't know what they're full of, cellulose, glucose, energy, probably storage. They are native to those roots usually occur because the pot that they're in is confined. So it'll usually grow these things when there's not enough space in the pot, which is a big thing for spider plants. You should keep them in a bigger pot and make sure they're not growing soil bound or pot bound. That's a big thing for them. So they can grow to their fullest potential. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Yep. That's probably it about them. They're great plants. Easy to grow. Probably one of the easiest ones to grow, and especially to propagate, which I'll show in another video soon. That'll be a very soon video. How to propagate spider plants, which is probably already made by the time you're watching this. If anyone has watched this, it'll definitely be made. Yeah, it's very easy to propagate them. That means to grow more of. Yeah, that will be the soonest next video. Subscribe. We will be going over more plants, how to take care of them, and random other things about gardening and how to make soil. That would be another cool one. How to make soil cheap, like cheap potting soil. That would be a good one.